Hello everyone, welcome to Go Plus Cybersecurity Journey. And in this application, I'm trying to execute some system command, and which is also good and essential to know how to execute system command on the terminal. And then Go programming language gives me the executing package, which help me to execute all system command and how to apply them on building cybersecurity tools also. So in this package, I can execute system command like this example here, and this example is I can write that in the terminal now, like ls-line, which is going to scan the system directory or the current directory, and then it will print out all the information in that directory. So that is system command for us, and this is essential to run tools like nmap and then ghost booster on the terminal, just like in pen testing and also hacking. So in building robust tool, I'm going to run this, and this is supposed to run for me. So go run command. Let's go. I get I get a classic error, but I can go run command. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm still getting a classic error because my application is not a terminal and it is not a shell. I need to break everything down. So for me to break everything down, this this is the error, and the reason why is that my application is not a terminal. So it understands this as an application, which is the command, but it needs to get the argument also. So in that case, I need to automate my tool so that I'll be able to pass a command and then it arguments. Yes. So I need to refactor my code. I need to refactor my code and by putting a function to automate the system command executing. So I'm going to have a function in Go, and in Go we just say function, and I'll call it execute command function, and I'll give it a parameter, but I want to take in command as a string, and also I need to give it an argument, and the argument can be an array of argument, but now I'm passing it in a slice of string, which is a type. The data will be data type string, and I want to return an error. Good. So now I want to automate this. I just have to copy this from here because I need to pass the argument as part of the parameters in the command, so that when you execute the command you can also add the parameter, and then my application can understand what you are trying to run or execute on the terminal. So this is just to help me to run nmap, google stuff, and also pen testing tools, and this can help me to also execute command on my system and also maybe a victim system. So I have to now initialize arg to be arg of array, and I want to pass this arg in this command because I am executing this command on the terminal, and I'm passing this command to command object, and in my command object I'm going to execute it by running it. So if I say command object dot run, it is actually going to run, and I'm holding error. No, I already declare error here, so I think error should be, yeah, because in Golang you can initialize an variable and also assign value to the variable. So error to be, you know, for me to run this, I need to handle this if there's an edge case like an error, like the way you see the error which is executed here. So I'm handling that error here as well. So this is the error that I'm returning on arg. Yeah, so now I need to pass arg here in my command. So I can now pass arg. No, no L. Okay. So arg is now passed, and it can be any number of arguments. So that is why you have this, and this is how go handle that. I think everything is alright. So I need to finally also return nil. In case everything runs successfully, it's going to return nil for us. If not, it will handle the error which occurred during runtime. Now I don't need this in the code again. So now I have an arg. In this case, I can call my execute function. So I can say execute command, and it is taking two parameters. So I have to give command, and I need to pass argument to it. I need to pass argument, but now I need to initialize arg and assign value to arg, which is going to be an array of strange, and the value is going to be this. Yeah. So this makes sense that I can run my application by running a command and then passing an argument to it, just to automate the command execution in the terminal on the system command. So I think we are good to go. So now I have my system command application automated. I can pass arguments. So go run command go. Good. Now everything ran perfectly. In this case, I can pass um, other command in terms of pen testing and hacking, and also um, on my system and also on the victim systems as well. Now, thank you for watching this video, and it's a simple application that can be executable on the terminal. So in Go, I can create I can create a simple cybersecurity tools that can be used to automate tasks and also perform some cybersecurity activities.